Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be diving into one of the most powerful tools for scalpers, and that is we are going to be looking at the best buy sell arrow scalper indicator. Okay, we're going to be looking at the best buy sell arrow scalper indicator. Okay. So let us just work with the super trend buy sell arrow indicator. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be describing how this indicator works, how to set it up. Of course, you have already seen how I added it to the chart, and then we're going to be looking at how you can use it to make better trading decisions. Whether you are just starting out or you are an experienced trader looking to refine your scalping strategy, this indicator can help you get an edge over the market. So if you are ready to level up your trading game, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future trading tips. Okay, now let us start by talking about what this indicator does. The arrow scalping buy sell signals indicator. You know, there are actually different buy sell signals indicators, right? There are different indicators that give you buy and sell signals and displays arrows. All right, you know, the name comes from the fact that it gives you, buy sell, signals, with arrows, right? And there are different indicators that do that, although their methods might be different. Okay, so basically, of course, you just come here, you search for the arrow scalping buy sell signals indicator. Then as for the settings, you can actually decide to use the default settings, but if you want faster signals, you can modify the length. You can reduce the length for both the Bollinger Band and the awesome length. You can decide to reduce it if you want faster signals if you're a scalper. But if you are more like a long-term trader, you can actually increase the length. But since we are focusing on scalping in this video, then we are going to work with these default settings. Okay, so you will notice now that this indicator gives you precise sell signals and precise buy signals. These arrows are based on specific algorithms that analyze market movements, so you know exactly when to enter or exit a trade. The key benefit here is that it takes the guesswork out of trading, allowing you to focus on the execution. This indicator works across different time frames, but because we are talking about scalping, scalping requires lower time frames like the 1 minute or 5 minute chart, in some cases the 15-minute chart. Okay, and this is perfect for scalpers who need to make fast decisions, fast trade decisions and capitalize on smaller price movements. So now that you know what the indicator is, setting it up is incredibly easy. You don't need to be a technical expert. Okay, just come here, you search for the buy sell signals indicator. You can select this particular one that I am explaining in this video. All right, the arrow scalping. You can select this arrow scalping buy sell signal indicator. There are a lot of indicators here on TradingView. You can just select this particular one that I'm describing. Once you have added the indicator to your chart, just make sure that your view appears like this. You can see the sell signals clearly. You can see the buy signals clearly as well. All right. If you are using the 1 minute or the 5 minute chart, you'll see buy and sell signals pop up frequently. Okay, giving you plenty of opportunities to make moves. The beauty of this indicator is that it's not just about seeing signals, it's about knowing what to do with them. Now, once the indicator is set up, the next step is to use it effectively. The key to scalping success is not just about following the arrows, but about making decisions based on a well-rounded strategy. So here's what you need to do. You need to look for confluence. While the buy and sell arrows are a great starting point, you want to make sure that other technical indicators or price action are confirming the same signal. For example, if the arrow is showing a buy signal, like what we can see happening here, if you have a buy signal, but the overall market trend is bearish. This is just an example. You can see that here we actually have a bearish trend, right? There was a consolidation around here first before this bearish move started, and we got a buy signal around here. So in this case, it might be worth waiting for a better setup. All right. When you have a buy signal in a bullish trend, then you can go ahead to take that trade. All right. Now, timing is key. Scalping is all about timing. All right. Scalping is all about timing. The best buy sell arrow scalper indicator, will help you spot potential trades, but you need to act quickly. Don't wait for the perfect setup. As long as you are seeing confluence with other indicators, you are on the right track. Okay. For example, let's say you have a sell signal, right? We've got a sell signal around here. Maybe you can use momentum indicator for confirmation in addition to price action. This is just an example. Okay, so here we got a sell signal and the RSI was already coming down from the overbought territory. Okay, and at the same time, you can see that the sell signal aligns with resistance zone. So this was a confirmation. We got a sell signal around the resistance zone, and when RSI was coming down from the overbought territory. So you can enter your sell after you get a candlestick confirmation. Your stop loss is just going to be above the resistance. Your take profits can be around the support. So this is just an example of entering a trade based on the signal given to you by this buy sell signal indicator and the confirmation from the RSI and price action. All right. Now, risk management is also very important. Even though the indicator provides clear signals, always remember to manage your risk. Set your stop losses and take profits in advance so that you are protected in case the market moves against you. All right. Now, this indicator is quite a fantastic tool for anyone looking to make quick, precise trades. It's especially useful for traders who are new to scalping, as it gives them the confidence to enter and exit trades without hesitation. Moreover, the simplicity of the arrows means you don't have to overcomplicate your trading strategy. You'll be able to focus on executing your trades and building your skills rather than getting caught up in complex analysis. All right. So there you have it. It's a quick rundown of one of the best buy, sell, arrow scalpers indicators out there. There are a lot of them. There are different indicators that can give you buy and sell signals, with the aid of arrows and all of that. Okay. And then now you can use this one to enhance your trading strategy. I hope this video helped you understand how to set it up and how to incorporate it into your scalping routine. Remember, trading is all about consistency, and with tools like this, you can stay ahead of the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more trading insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.